As markets were hit suddenly with a big dose of turbulence during the first days of August, it's likely a whole lot of things were racing through the minds of investors. And according to a new report, it appears one of the top trending online searches was the phrase, "buy gold." Economic uncertainty means you have to keep up with what's happening. Make sure you subscribe and we'll keep you in the know. Why gold? Because all that turbulence caused numerous investors to suddenly catch a case of what seemed to be recession anxiety. According to some observers, long dormant recession worries were reawakened by a wave of downbeat economic numbers. Among them was the unemployment rate for July, which the Labor Department revealed had climbed to 4.3%. It's the highest level in more than 2.5 years. Financial markets didn't respond well. From August 1st through the 5th, the S&P 500 fell by more than 6%, while the tech-heavy Nasdaq Composite tumbled by 8%. When volatility strikes the economy and upsets financial markets, it's not unusual for the minds of investors to start racing. Last week, the financial news platform Finbold published the results of its analysis that concluded interest in gold investment surged among English-speaking retail investors at the beginning of the month. According to the piece, investor concerns began to mount following the Federal Reserve's most recent policy meeting at the end of July. Specifically, investors grew worried the central bank may have waited too long to start lowering interest rates. The article said, Finbold's research found that between July 31st and pre-market on August 6th, interest in the buy gold search term rocketed 63.93%, from 61 to 100 on Google Trends. Finbold went on to say, the figure is also substantially higher than at any other time during the period under review, which covers the 90 days between May 6 and August 6, 2024. Drilling down further on timing of the jump in search term interest, the Finbold piece noted, such a rapid increase in curiosity about investing in bullion can be linked to a recession panic that started with the Federal Open Market Committee meeting on the last 2 days of July and was reinforced by the jobs report on Friday, August 2nd. It seems nobody has to tell Americans that gold is a safe haven asset in times of economic turbulence. As recession fears awakened, so did the popularity of the search term buy gold. Other data also points to gold's growing popularity among rank-and-file investors. For example, a recent survey by the World Gold Council found that more than a quarter of Americans had invested in gold at some point in the past 5 years. Commenting on the results, Kitco News said, "This means that gold investment was similar in popularity to stocks, but the yellow metal was chosen significantly more than cryptocurrencies." The strength of gold's popularity is further exemplified in another survey conducted in 2023 by the Gallup organization. According to that research, 26% of Americans surveyed named gold as the best long-term investment, ranking it even higher than stocks. More evidence of gold's popularity with regular investors can be found in the results of a survey recently conducted by State Street Global Advisors. The survey found that 87% of financial advisors in North America currently allocate client assets to gold. And when asked to provide their reasons for investing in gold, 35% of the respondents said, "Our clients express a desire to invest in gold." What's striking to me is that Americans already know the strength of having gold in their investment portfolio. But they seem to wait until they think there's economic disaster to start thinking about buying it, when gold is already up more than 20% in 2024. The question I have is, why does it take an economic disaster to think about buying gold? That's why I suggest you take the time to learn more about what's really going on in the economy by attending our exclusive one-on-one web conference at AugustaPreciousMetals.com/webconference.